ride, so lots of magnets underneath, making sure that you stay on the road properly. Yeah, clever off-and-ease stuff. 10-speed box, which I'm, like I said, I'm really enjoying. Still slightly, like I said, still slightly snatchy, but then it's not giving you all the power. It's not struggling to find a gear because there's plenty of them. That's the thing. Whereas the other one has a tendency to kick out right near the on the corners, and therefore move your rear end. The Recaro seats. I've always loved the Recaro seats in Fords. These are just really comfortable. The no heated seats on these though, so your bum's going to get cold. There's a little bit of room for your kids back there, but I mean, you know, do you really want to take them out? Not really. You want to take this car out and have some fun with it, squeal some tyres and relive your youth or create a youth. And it drives well. I'm driving it, tootling around now, and this 10-speed box is great. It's still actually in sport, and this should be snatchy, but it's not. The death of the V8 is becoming almost inevitable though, isn't it? Because the reality is the eco warriors, and you know, I guess we have a commitment to the planet to make it good for your kids and your kids' kids and all that sort of stuff. But the V8, they're messing with it now. They're putting turbos on them. They're doing whatever they can to make them more efficient, and that sound is going to become, you know, my son's son is probably never even going to hear that sound unless he goes to a racetrack, which is awful. The death of the Falcon and the Commodore as such is inevitable. It's got to, I mean, unfortunately it's got to go. It's, you know, the V12s of this world, the W12s, they're going to be just for the chosen few car makers, and it's horrible. I feel sad for the lack of for the fact that the V8's going to go, but unless they come up with a different fuel, which is obviously still looking at it, but it's not going to be around, which a moment's silence. No, I agree. We do need to celebrate the V8, and also specifically this Mustang. It's the best it's been. Like I said, this is what the other one, the previous model, which I really did like. This is what this one promised to be. It's the extra 30 odd kilowatts makes a difference. The 10-speed gearbox makes a difference. The Magna Ride makes a difference. All these, it's not massive changes. What they've done is Ford have messed with a couple of they've tweaked the headlights, they've tweaked the ducting, they've made small changes that once you add them all together becomes a substantial difference in what the car was before to what it is now. The new shape was great. This is better. The Sync 2 that was in the old one was great. This is the Sync 3 is better. The extra horsepower is better, and noticeably better. The gearbox, it's just minor changes, but the sum of all parts makes everything better. And this is a thrill to drive. It's not as terrifying as the ones before. You're not going to lose the back end as easy as the one before, and I think there's going to be less of those coffee calamities with the videos. So I think YouTube's going to have a few less hits, but this is just a better car all round, and just sounds better, and just drives better, and takes the, you know, just squeals that little listen to this. It's like somebody doing some old coconuts together. It's like a horse. I just love it. It just makes it sound like a horse.
Clip clop.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Now you can't get out of your head, right? Just sounds like a. It's a horse, of course.
Of course.